Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger easy at home. Start by prepping your ingredients and workspace so everything is within reach. Form patties gently to avoid compacting the meat and season just before cooking. Heat a skillet or grill until hot, then sear patties for a nice crust. Toast buns briefly for texture, assemble with preferred toppings, and rest the burgers for a minute before serving. I explain a simple patty method that keeps burgers tender and consistent across every batch. Measure portions to the same weight and press them gently into flat discs. Make a shallow dimple in the center of each patty so they cook evenly without bulging. Season the surface right before placing on the hot pan or grill to lock in flavor. Flip once for even browning and finish with a rest period before serving. I help you get perfect doneness with minimal fuss using simple cooking cues anyone can follow. Start with a screaming hot surface for an instant sear and bold flavor. Cook patties until a brown crust forms and only flip them one time to lock in juices. Check doneness by touch or thermometer and let patties rest while toasting buns. Assemble quickly to preserve warmth and enjoy a restaurant-style burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.